G'day and welcome back to Todd's Kitchen. I know I've been gone for a while. I've been getting so many messages on my last few videos and private messages on my Facebook and Instagram on where I've been. So basically, I've worked my whole life. I did about close to 20 years as a full-time job, working 40, 50 hours a week. And the last few years of that job, I also did this channel. So basically, I take a week off every year at most. So when I left my job, I had a lot of holiday pay saved up. So I used that as I was building this YouTube channel. But basically, I really was just burnt out and I needed a big rest. I've been going for 20 plus years, taking on average 1 week of holiday every year, and it was just too much. So I got to that point in my life where I really needed just to focus on myself for a while and just to unwind. Now, I really do appreciate all the support everyone's been giving me, asking me where I am. Well, I'm back. So I'm going to slowly start putting up more videos now, 1 or 2 a week, then 4, maybe even 5 a week. We'll see how it goes. So I really have been missing making these videos and interacting with everyone. Now, I do regularly post on Instagram and Facebook, as well as Twitter, and I'll leave links down below to them. But basically, it's facebook.com/Todd's Kitchen. Instagram is Instagram/ToddM007. Yep, bit of a James Bond fan, so it's an old account that I'm still using. And of course, don't forget to check out toddskitchen.com, where you're going to find some of my fantastic merchandise, like my mugs, for example, as well as some fantastic shirts. And of course, most importantly, don't forget to click on that bell notification down the bottom. You either click it or you tap it, depending on what you're using, and that will let you know as soon as I upload my next video. So you won't get spammed emails all the time. It just basically tells you when my next video goes live. Because sometimes if you're not using the subscription section of YouTube, you won't see it. So please do me a huge favor, click on that bell notification so you'll know when my first videos come up for the new year. And this is what happens when you don't check the charge of your batteries. So please check out the links down below to where my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram is, and I'll see you next time for another delicious recipe.